Welcome back to AIPolls.net. In this video, we're going to explore the difference between polls and campaigns, and how they work together to give you powerful, trackable insights over time. If you haven't already created a poll, this is a great moment to try it. We have a dedicated step-by-step video on poll creation, available right from the poll creation page. For now, we'll assume you already have at least one poll ready to use. So what exactly is a poll, and how does it differ from a campaign? A poll is created from a template. You design it once, defining your question, options, and structure. But the real power begins when you start using that poll across multiple campaigns. A campaign is a live deployment of a poll. You might use the same poll every day, every week, or on any schedule you choose. Each time you open a poll, it creates a new campaign. All the votes and results from that campaign are kept separate from previous ones. This separation is extremely powerful. It allows you to run the same poll repeatedly, gathering new data in each cycle, and then comparing results across campaigns. For example, if you recently launched a product and want to track how consumer sentiment evolves over time, you can run the same poll each week and monitor changes. This is perfect for iterative product feedback, rapid feature refinement, or ongoing sentiment tracking. Over time, the comparative view helps you design better products and make evidence-based decisions. AIPolls.net makes this easy. You can browse all your campaigns, reopen past campaigns, and examine their results at any time. Our results dashboard supports both real-time and historical data, giving you a unified view of your insights. You can download reports or export raw CSV files to run deeper analysis using your own tools. You can also choose to publish your poll report, making your findings visible to others. Poll publishing is an important topic with several options, so we cover it separately in its own video. As your usage grows, you'll likely accumulate many polls and many campaigns. AIPolls.net includes powerful search features. Just type a keyword to find exactly what you need, whether it's a poll, a template, or a past campaign. To recap, think of a poll as the core template, your carefully written, well-structured question, refined using AIPolls.net's advanced analytics and industry-tested best practices. And think of a campaign as each instance where you deploy that poll, creating a new, separate collection of results. One poll can have many campaigns. Some use cases even call for creating a new poll for every new campaign, and that's perfectly valid depending on the problem you want to solve. We hope this overview has helped clarify the difference between polls and campaigns, and how both contribute to better insights over time. Thank you for choosing AIPolls.net as your one-stop polling platform for all your daily business needs.